My name is Ben Drury. I'm the owner of Madrone Construction out of Victoria, BC, Canada. And I was introduced to the Cardo Amy headsets when I was trying to solve issues related to time management and production. So we run a production sawmill business, and movement and efficiency of movement with staff and moving around the mill is paramount for efficiency. And then looking at ways to train staff. If you have a loud piece of equipment, and every time you have to shut the machine off to train somebody on an aspect of what you're doing, it means stopping the operation and introducing that staff person to what you're trying to educate them on. And another key factor is we're always working with heavy lumber, heavy timbers, big West Coast logs, and they're really heavy. So being able to have management of staffing and being able to conduct the whole group in real time when you're handling big material like that, it just makes safety and just situational awareness so much easier and so much faster. And we can get the logs moved, we can get the mill running, and we can get the lumber off in a lot more efficient way. As an owner operator of a small business, where once again where efficiency is such a key part of our model, I'm having to constantly address admin concerns or making phone calls or talking to distributors or dealing with even something as simple as accounting or something like that. I can keep running the mill. I can use voice commands to make phone calls, and I can continue running the mill. It's incredible. You can run the mill. The noise canceling features of the Amy headsets and the noise canceling feature of the microphone allows me to continue working and communicate make important phone calls for sales or for management reasons while still running the mill. It's a game changer. It's incredible. So as on a day-to-day basis, we have either an excavator or a skid steer or a crane operating with ground crews and a sawyer running the mill, or people in the shop doing maintenance work, and being able to communicate with those 3 people or 4 people at any one time allows you to keep the flow of business and keep activities moving as efficiently as possible without having once again to shut equipment down, to answer questions, to troubleshoot things. You're able to just conveniently to go about your business and communicate in real time. It's also quite solitary. You're working with loud equipment all day long. Nobody's able to talk. Nobody's able to communicate, and you can have a conversation about how somebody's day's going, and it allows for a much more personal experience while you're working with somebody all day long. Otherwise, having to wear hearing protection where you wouldn't know what's happening on a kind of a personal level. So it makes things a lot more hospitable in a sort of an unhospitable environment.